literally pick up some of the famous destinations from around the world and I'm gonna try to find its counterpart in India. It's called Nainital, the Sahara Desert in Rajasthan. I'm not excited about Switzerland, guys. I'm excited about its Indian counterpart. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I was born and brought up in India, so I know for a fact that our country is diversified and beautiful when it comes to the landscapes, and I also know that it's comparable to some of the most famous destinations from around the world, which is exactly what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna literally pick up some of the famous destinations from around the world and I'm gonna try to find its counterpart in India. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. One is Niagara Falls. I'm pretty sure most of you guys would be knowing Niagara Falls, one of the most famous waterfalls, and if you are going to United States, then this is a must-visit place in your itinerary and I don't think anyone would miss it. So, do we have an Indian counterpart for this? Yes, we have. And that place is called Chitrakoot Falls. It is located in Chhattisgarh and it is also called Niagara Falls of India for the stunning similarity it has with Niagara Falls. So, if you are visiting India or if you're already in India, if you have never visited Chitrakoot Falls, then please do go and visit. Number 2 is Lake District in London. It is unique and beautiful for its picturesque landscape wherein we have a lake that is surrounded by valleys, mountains and cities. Even the greatest poets like William Wordsworth was drawing inspirations for some of his greatest work from his visit in Lake District of London. So do we have an Indian counterpart here? We do have, and it is called Nainital. Nainital is really called the Lake District of India. It has a lake that is surrounded by beautiful valleys, cities and mountains. Because of its stunning similarity it shares with the Lake District of London, it is called Lake District of India. Number 3 is a flower valley. There are millions of flower valleys from around the world and I had to pick one, which is why I have picked the famous Poppy Flower Valley of Arizona. Even more interestingly, even in India, there are a lot of flower valleys and again I had to pick one, which is why I'm picking the famous flower valley of Kashmir. The desert, the first thing that's going to come to your mind is the Sahara Desert in Africa. It is stunning, guys. It is really stunning. I'm not denying that at all. It has the most beautiful sand dunes, beautiful palm trees. Whatever you can see in a stunning desert can be seen in Sahara. But you know what? We have our own desert as well. It is the Great Thar Desert in Rajasthan. So even there, I mean, it is visually stunning. You can even travel in a camel and whatever you can see in Sahara can be literally seen in the Thar Desert of India. So next time when you visit India, Thar Desert is a must visit. So the next place that I'm going to discuss about is something that excites me a lot. So I'm going to talk about a place called Interlaken in Switzerland. Switzerland, I don't have to give you guys any introduction about that country. It is really beautiful. It is visually stunning. Dream country for many of the tourists out there. And even many of my Indian friends, if you ask them, they would close their eyes and say Switzerland is their dream destination. But I'm not excited about Switzerland, guys. I'm excited about its Indian counterpart. It's called Auli and it is situated in a state called Uttarakhand. It's really beautiful. I have been there during the winter season and I have to say it is one of the most beautiful places I have ever been. Snow-covered mountains and the tents that are built along the ranges of the mountains are what makes Auli very much similar to Interlaken in Switzerland. So even I have never been to Switzerland personally, but my friends and my husband have been there. So while we were traveling and they were repetitively saying the fact that okay, it's just mesmerizing to see the similarities that Auli share with Switzerland, and which is why Auli is rightly called mini Switzerland of India. I am little disappointed about the fact that it is not getting the attention that it deserves. When you come to India or if you're already there in India, if you get a chance to visit Auli, please do so. And also, Auli is one of the famous skiing destinations in India as well, and there are a lot of institutions over there that will teach you skiing. If you are interested in a little bit of an adventure, then of course Auli is the place for you. The next place is the famous Grand Canyon in the United States. We all know about Grand Canyon. It is a beautiful red-colored formation of layered rocks that is a stunning sight to watch, and it's a thing for tourists to visit the Grand Canyon when they are in the United States. It's a famous tourist spot. So do we have something similar in India? Yes, we do. It is called Panna Gorge. For its stunning similarity to Grand Canyon, it is called the Grand Canyon of India. The last thing I'm going to talk about are the islands. There are a lot of beautiful islands in the world. Maldives are a home to a lot of islands. Madagascar are a home to a lot of islands. We have something called Lakshadweep, and it is a home of a lot of islands, and it is stunningly and visually beautiful as compared to Maldives or Madagascar. So when I'm talking about islands, I also want to mention about the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Nicobar Islands is something that is, the visibility is still not allowed to the outsiders. But Andaman is a place that is equally famous, and it is really beautiful. And we have a lot of fun activities out there in these islands called scuba diving, snorkeling, sea walking. So again, whenever you're visiting India, or if you are an Indian, please do visit these places. So I've been reiterating about travel quite a lot in this video, so I'm asking you guys to visit these stunning places, but not during this tough time, guys. Let's stay indoors, let's be safe, but whenever the time is right, please use this video as an information, plan things out, and travel our country and visit these beautiful places. So when this pandemic is over, when the world has become a better place to live, please do let me know in the comments below which is the place in India that you're looking forward to visit. Please do share it across with your friends who loves traveling, because I really feel this information should reach as many people as possible, because these places deserve, like I said again and again, these places deserve a lot of attention that they actually have right now. So please do share it across with your friends. Please give it a thumbs up if you have liked it, and until next time, it's Sai signing off. Bye bye. Hi, hello, and welcome to my channel.